Tesla ramps Optimus hiring efforts with 80 job openings. During Tesla's Q1 2025 all-hands meeting, CEO Elon Musk stated that the company will be producing its first legion of Optimus robots this year. A look at Tesla's careers page suggests that the company is putting a lot of effort into growing its humanoid robot team. Optimus Jobs. Tesla's careers page shows about 80 Optimus-related jobs as of writing. The listings are distributed amongst Tesla's production facilities in the United States, such as Palo Alto, California, Fremont, CA, Sparks, Nevada, and Austin, Texas. The job listings include openings for several departments, from design to software to manufacturing. The hefty number of job listings related to the humanoid robot suggests that Tesla is putting a lot of work into growing and developing its Optimus team. This is no surprise, as Elon Musk has stated that Optimus will likely be Tesla's most world-changing product, becoming 10 times larger than the company's next biggest product. Optimus improvements. Optimus was initially announced during AI Day 2021. At the time, only a static model of the humanoid robot was showcased by the company. The progress of Optimus has been nothing from remarkable since then, as Tesla has rolled out a number of key improvements to the humanoid robot. Among these improvements are hands that feature 22 degrees of freedom, which should make Optimus capable of working efficiently in factories and homes, as well as a more human-like gait, which was recently featured in a video posted on social media platform X, First Legion. Elon Musk stated during the Q1 2025 all-hands meeting that Tesla is internally aiming for enough parts to produce 10,000 to 12,000 Optimus robots this year. However, the company should realistically be capable of producing 5,000 humanoid robots this 2025. These first 5,000 Optimus robots were dubbed by Musk as a legion. This year, we hopefully will be able to make about 5,000 Optimus robots. We're technically aiming for enough parts to make 10,000, maybe 12,000. But since it's a totally new product with a totally new, like everything is totally new, I'll say we're succeeding if we get to half of the 10,000. But even 5,000 robots, that's the size of a Roman legion, FYI, Musk stated. Source, reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.